All right, here we are, unboxing, another unboxing video, and this time it is the Rhedosaurus from Star Ace Toys and 12-inch soft vinyl model kit. Had not been opened. Ended up after I picked up the Cyclops, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go back and get most of these Ray Harryhausen ones. Next week, supposedly, I'm getting the Kraken, so that'll be here shortly. I am printing in the background, testing a new microphone system. Let's see how it sounds. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but it's worth a shot. Let's give it a try. So, without further ado, let's dig into this box. So we have the Rhedosaurus soft vinyl model kit, vicious and ancient creature, Ray Harryhausen signature, Star Ace Toys. All around the box you have. It's got a really cool matte finish to the box too. We have that. This. American artist, designer, visual effects creator, writer, producer. All right, let's open this box up. So, limited edition to, I think, 400. So I am opening the box. I think I just ripped part of the box. But let's get into all these pieces. All right. So the first thing we're going to find here is our instructions. Let's see. Some tape. Let's open these bad boys up. Just ripped it. Pieces. Not bad. Again, vinyl model kits, you do not want to use anything enamel based or it will not dry when it comes to painting it. But let's see. All right, let's get into the nitty gritty here. Open it up. Ooh. Pieces come individually packaged like that. Little joint piece. Some other little, it's like you got to snip them off a sprue maybe, perhaps. So we got those. We got these pieces here. We got another set of parts as well. And we have the main body of the creature. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this. I'm gonna open up these bags. Some of the texture on there. And here's the body. Nice sturdy vinyl. Texture's great. This looks really nice. Let's find his head. I do plan on building this, so I am not one of those collectors. I am going to go ahead and at some point probably build this. So looking at the head, let's just put this together. I know one of those is the tongue. Not bad looking. The eyes are kind of flat. Is there eyeballs that go in there? I don't know. Is that what that was? Here we have the neck. So let's pull that out. We got the neck right here. The joint goes together really, really nice. It hides pretty well with some heat and the right amount of glue. It's going to be very easy. Not much left as far as putty work in terms of that. So that's really cool. This goes here. That goes there. That is a really nice size as far as, there we go. Look at that. That's pretty good. And then the body, to get the head off. Let's just start to get a kind of a feeling. It's a pretty big kit. That has a little, I mean, you have to heat it up. There's a little bit of warping that goes with it. But all in all, it's really, really good. Let's get all the parts out. Look at them one at a time. We have the tongue. Smooth. And we have the inner jaw part here, it looks like. Get rid of the plastic. So yeah, we have the inner jaw piece, tongue. Or no, yeah, this is the upper jaw. So it clicks in about right there. That goes fairly well. Yep, just kind of pops in. So that's good. This tongue sits in there. And then push those together. It's a really nice piece. It's really good. Okay, so that's those parts. Let's try and get that tail together because I like to see how long it's actually going to be. So rip it apart again. Unboxing, ripping the tail. I think that's all the tail pieces. Yep. So this goes in the body. It's like with one of those dowel joints. So I'm not going to pop it in now because I want to be able to store this. So it's going to be about there. This goes about there, here. So we're looking at a tail. I'm going to pull this up. It's about that long. The tail itself is huge. Look at that. Why does it say 12-inch vinyl kit? Because this is longer than 12. Let me get it back on camera. Here's the rest of those. So those are the eyeballs that pop into, that's kind of cool. Let me, I don't want to lose these for sure, because that would be a nightmare. So here's the eyeballs. So the eyeballs are on a sprue, and they pop in there. So you could paint them there and then pop them in, which is probably the best way to do it. Or, I mean, you can pop them in while they're there. Like, they'll go into that. I don't know if there's a difference between right and left. I'll have to put on my readers at some point and look. But that's where we have those. And that's really nice. Okay, let's get all the parts out. Might as well. There we have all the plastic. Out of all the plastic. So these two spines, teeth, what are they? Where do they go? Oh, they're not teeth. Fins. So they're a fin that goes on here somewhere. I don't know where. Don't go there. Oh, they go on the tail back here. I should have known that. So they go on the tail back there. These are pretty nice. Eyeballs, arms. How do the feet connect? Is this the right one? No. There we go. Tongues. So there we have it. We have an unboxing. Rhedosaurus, Star Ace Toys. Kind of get a feeling of how big this actually is going to be. Ooh, there we go. There's the body with only parts of the tail put together. I can't even fit it on the whole screen, which is kind of cool. So we have this and the whole, there's the body, tail. It's a long kit. Really nice kit. Detail is amazing. Texture, get up in there, look at some of that texture. We have the arms connecting to, let's see, where the legs go in. That socket's in there, very nice. I think all these pieces go together. Vinyl, like the way, you're not gonna have to do much in way of, that's probably the wrong one. No, that's the right one. This one goes over here. Great little kit. Very nice tribute to Ray Harryhausen. Some great pieces. The Rhedosaurus from Star Ace Toys. I still think there's some out there. You can find them. Great kit. Great kit. And bringing back the vinyl, this Star Ace Toys. I just saw some other stuff they got coming out. Again, like I said, I got the Kraken coming here in a few days. But that's the Rhedosaurus unboxing. I'm going to throw it all back in the box. It kind of gives you an idea of the size, which looking at the box, I would have never guessed it was this big. And it's a nice display piece. It'll look really cool when it's done. So check it out. If you're interested in your own, I'll put there's some links. You could probably maybe call TV Man, Amok Time, Sideshow. You might not be able to pick it up. I did get mine through Sideshow Toys. And again, really cool piece. It'll be exciting to see.